reorganization. Ano pinagkaiba ng panibagong composition nito doon sa previous security group, sir?
Okay, we issued a statement actually on to clarify informations or misleading informations circulating in the social media and other mainstream media carrying the report or the news. No? Very simple lang po. It is part of our reorganization and streamlining of the AP. We are performing while transforming, and this is related to how we address the current environment and situation.
Sir, anong difference ng composition nitong AFP Security Group o Security and Protection Group doon sa dating ABPS?
Makikita naman po natin, it is a the previous one, BPSPG is a dedicated military and security protection for that particular, for the position, the Vice Presidents. Now, the AP has other commitments of providing protection and security to other dignitaries and VIPs. So, to ensure safety, to ensure protection and seamless operations for protection and security details. So, that's the creation of the AFP Security and Protection Group, which encompasses the Vice President's security and that of other VIP.
So sir, wala na palang exclusive security detail dito sa certain position na ito, regardless kung sino siya.
Again, you might view it that way, but we want to emphasize, hindi po nawala ng security detail ang ating Vice President and future Vice Presidents in this kind of reorganization. This ensures continuity and seamless operations of providing security and protection to our Vice President.
Sir, how about the police component? How about the police component, sir, ng VP Security Group dati? Open pa rin ba, sir, yung AFP Security and Protection Group into tapping the Philippine National Police para ihalo doon sa mga official natin, sir?
Well, it can be an open scheme of additional or integrating, but we assure that there is much collaboration and coordination with our counterpart, the Philippine National Police. So the APSPG has its particular dedicated for the Vice President. So if there is need to further increase, of course, with the cooperation and with the intent of our counterparts, the Philippine National Police, it is possible.
So far, sir, tinap na ba natin yung TNP?
Again, what we are doing is the reorganization of the position or the unit and being absorbed into the Armed Forces of the Philippines Security and Protection Group.
Sir, sorry, lastly na lang. Sabi ng TNP, may naka-assign daw sila talaga originally, di ba, dito sa VPSPG, pero since nagkaroon na ng reorganization, waiting din sila doon sa call ng AFP side. So, to clarify lang, meron na ba tayong official instruction or request sa Philippine National Police to integrate their forces doon sa Protection Act?
To frankly answer, I don't have the information, but it is possible that coordination between the AFP and the PNP is very smooth, and it could happen.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.